graceful, but that's okay. They always poop.
It's not scary.
Yikes. See what I mean about he hit every single number on the target. It looks like worms inside of yogurt. That's what it looks like. Okay. All right. I'm not going to talk until you're quiet. Here comes. Here comes.
I got that on tape.
No, he's not sick. Let me explain. Oh my. It's coming out of my head. Okay. That's normal. They do that every day. This disgusting thing that just came out of his mouth. Thank you very much, Sylvester, for doing that. His name is Sylvester.
What do you say that?
You need to keep your voice down or I'm going to miss you. Okay. Owls usually eat their food whole. They gulp down a whole rat, a whole mouse, a whole bat, whatever it might be. If it's small enough to fit down there, oh, it's nice and warm. It smells horrible. They swallow everything whole, so instead of it's not just swallowing the meat and the skin, they're also swallowing the bones and the fur. And their stomach will separate out what can be digested and used for nutrition, and that works its way through and eventually comes out the end. Okay? Hence the poop. Now, what can't be digested, which are